In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Slack. If you're looking to streamline your collaboration efforts, linking these two powerful tools can make sharing files and documents much easier and more efficient. So, let's dive into the process and get everything set up. First things first, you'll want to navigate to Slack on your browser or through the Slack app on your device. If you're not already logged in, that's where you'll start. To sign in, you can either enter your email and password, or, if you prefer a quicker route, use your Apple or Google account credentials for seamless access. Once you're signed in, it's time to choose your preferred workspace, the place where all your Slack magic happens. Select the workspace where you intend to integrate Google Drive. Next, we'll need to head over to the Slack app directory. This is essentially Slack's marketplace for apps and integrations that you can add to boost your productivity. In your Slack interface, you'll find an icon or a link labeled Apps or Browse Apps in the sidebar. Click on this option and it will take you to the Slack app directory. Once there, look for the search bar, where you can type in Google Drive. This search will bring up the Google Drive app for Slack. After locating Google Drive in the search results, you'll see an option that says Open in Slack. Go ahead and click on this. This action will start the integration process, prompting you to follow a series of steps to add Google Drive to your Slack workspace. These steps usually involve granting the necessary permissions that allow Slack to access your Google Drive files. Make sure to read through these prompts carefully and authorize the connection. As you finish up the prompts, you'll want to look for confirmation that the integration was successful. You should then notice that Google Drive has been added and can be found under the Apps section in your Slack sidebar. This is a good indication that your connection has been set up correctly and is ready to use. Now, whenever you need to share files from Google Drive, you can do so directly within Slack without having to switch back and forth between the two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Drive to Slack, a small setup step that can significantly enhance your workflow. From now on, sharing and collaborating with your team will be a breeze. Enjoy this newfound efficiency and keep exploring other app integrations within Slack that might benefit your working style. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.